How are you?
Good.
How do we know each other?
I don't know, do we?
We recognize each other somehow.
You said hi, so I said hi.
I know, but I feel like I know you. Maybe it was in a past life. Maybe you were my sister in a past life. But we could be lovers in this life.
You're right, you're right.
I don't think that would technically be incest or anything. Hi, I'm
No,
Aaron.
it'd be cool.
Hi. Wait, I feel like I know you too. Did I know you in a past life? Were you also my sister?
Yes.
This is hot. I like it. What is this, birthday or bachelorette? Oh,
Birthday!
Look at this little romper. That's hot. I like that. Fucking romper ladies. I like this.
Yeah.
Hey, do you live around here?
Yeah.
What's your guys' plan the rest of the night?
I go to Capitol, so we're just here.
I go to Capitol.
I do.
I go to Capitol. Let me flip my fucking hair. I'm kidding. You're sexy as fuck. I think you're super fucking hot.
Thank you.
What is your name? I'm Aaron. Kiss my cheek.
Aaron?
Oh, you're so sexy. Would it be super? We can't kiss lips. We can't do that. We just
Why do you want to?
I mean, I don't know. I'm getting cold feet.
What? Don't get cold feet.
I'm nervous.
You just gotta do
This
it.
is my first time ever kissing a woman.
Oh my god, I'm your first?
Okay, do you want to be my first?
Yeah.
Okay, here we go. Okay, come home with me.
Bro, talking to 30 women in 30 days will genuinely rewire your amygdala. Your amygdala can otherwise be viewed as the fear center of your brain. It's there to perceive threats, and it's there to keep you alive by avoiding those threats. Now, if you're a dude who has been watching pickup videos, you want to go out and raise girls, but every time you go to do it, which might be once a week maximum, you're freaking out about doing it. Your nervous system believes that something could go very wrong here. You're viewing it like you're doing something wrong, you're up to no good, you've got negative intentions. And so what I want you to do, if you still have a lot of approach anxiety, if you still really fear going out and rizzing women, I want you to just do something very simple for me. For the next 30 days, I want you to do at least one indirect approach a day. If you want to go direct, or just tell her, hey, I saw you over here, I think you're really attractive, be my guest. But I know for many of you, going indirect, basically using familiarity opener, asking if she goes to your gym, asking if she lives in your building. The act of taking your body, fighting against your nervous system telling you not to, and actually just positioning yourself in front of that woman, opening your mouth and speaking, you are now actually going to hack your neurochemistry into knowing now that there is no threat here. And you're gonna get a lot more results by doing this one a day for 30 days than if you were to even go out just one night and do 30 approaches. It's about the consistent reminder to your amygdala that speaking to women is not a threat. So please, for the love of God, start your 30-day challenge today. One girl a day, indirect opener for 30 days. Ideally, you're going to be able to transition these openers into actual conversations and going for numbers, but don't be too hard on yourself if you're not there yet. That'll kind of be the next step for you. I have a free workshop coming up that's going to greatly help you with your game as a whole. And I also have a bunch of live coaching dates coming up all across the US as well as in Europe. I'm going to include the links for both of those down below. So please go down below, comment, let me know if you enjoyed this video and anything else you'd like to see. And then also click on those links, sign up for live in-person coaching, sign up for the free workshop. I'll see you guys soon.